finishing up this project. It's a multi-level patio with sitting walls, steps, and we have a fire pit area here. The fire pit, we're most likely going to install that tomorrow, since we were waiting for the insert. We've been on this project for a few weeks. It's taken many pallets of material. I actually have to count to see exactly how much we used, but it was substantial. We also installed trench drains around the perimeter of the patio and fire pit area, along both sides of the backyard. Underneath here you've got the perforated PVC wrapped in filter fabric, surrounded with stone and then decorative gravel on the top. And we have a drain box here, another drain box there. We put a trench drain along this one side of the yard. We graded this area, this portion of the yard that we graded is about 10,000 square feet, maybe a little more. We prepared the subsoil, and now we're in the process of seeding it. So we're coming down the home stretch. We have a little bit more paver material going down behind the garage. We actually excavated on the other side of the garage, dug out some big tree stumps. And I would say, doing the fire pit and a few other small details, should be finished in the next day or so. We use bluestone treads for the steps. We integrated the drainage underneath the patio. Block treated stone caps with the 3-piece Nicoloc pavers. Very large transformation that this backyard has gone under. This is the insert for the fire pit. Just picked it up today, that's why we haven't installed the fire pit yet, but it's going to go right here. Square fire pit with the sitting walls. And that's about it.